Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First just type here first just type here Windows Windows security settings, use it, and then click here virus and threat protection, manage settings, scroll down, click add or remove exclusions, add an exclusion and click file. Here you need to find your Riot Games folder location, and now once you're here, click Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Win64, and here we'll find Valorant. Click on it and click open, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.